just moved to Annapolis or the surrounding areas in Arundel County, Maryland, and you need a service provider? And are you not sure who to call? Feeling a bit uneasy? We're here to help. I'm Marie Parashak and proud native of Annapolis. My husband John and I are licensed realtors with eXp Realty. When a new county resident recently related her frustration with trying to find a service provider, I was more than happy to offer suggestions, but John and I realized that this must be a very common problem for new residents. As a result, we thought we'd try something new and feature local businesses to help residents become familiar with business options throughout the county. But we need your help. Tell us what you think or make suggestions as to the type of businesses you'd like us to feature. In our second pilot video of local service providers, we're featuring Barstow Heating and Cooling. The owners, Chuck and Christine Eaton, are a delightful couple who take great pride in their ever-growing family company. They get consistent 5-star reviews. Let's watch and let them tell you in their own words about their commitment to their customers and their business. Today with Chuck and Christine Eaton, and they are the proud owners of Barstow Heating and Air Conditioning. So Chuck and Christine, tell us a little bit about the company and the history of it.
So my grandfather started his company, Fred T. Barstow, in 1980. In 2012, after he passed, I rebranded the company Barstow and Sons because I have 2 boys, and I started with just me in a truck working out of my house in a garage. After, I guess now, 2023, we have 2 locations and 28 employees. Our first location we started at, which we still are in, is in 1825 George Avenue in Annapolis. And then we bought this building in Pasadena at 8176 Ritchie Highway in 2019. We have, over the years, we've grown, and we're up to 28 employees.
Philosophy is we want to provide excellent customer service from the moment the customer calls in to the moment our last technician leaves the home, so that they have everyone that they've encountered from our company has done their job, has exceeded their expectations, and they feel confident that they chose the right company.
Well, I can attest to that because my husband and I, John, who's filming this, our air conditioning went out, and it was during the weather when it was over 90 degrees. So I was flipping through all the other companies and looking for somebody who had very high 5 stars, mostly 5 stars, and I came across Barstow. So I called them and I explained to the woman what was going on, and she said, well, we can see you someday next week. And I said, oh, please, my air conditioning is not working. So she said, okay. So they had Danny come out. We had an 8:30 appointment. He was very prompt. He automatically put the shoe covers on. He was very thorough, explained to us exactly what was going on, what he was looking for, what the possibility could be, but he wasn't quite sure. And after just a little bit, maybe a half hour or so, he was very happy to report that all was well and we didn't need to replace coils. So that was wonderful news to us. But it was extremely pleasant, and as I mentioned, the service was impeccable from the moment that we called for the appointment. So I can attest to that personally, which is one of the reasons why we're here today. I wanted to feature your company.
Thank you.
So you were telling me one of the community outreach things you did, you have a relationship with the VOTEC in the county, in Anne Arundel County.
So what we do, we've been doing this probably for the last 8 years, is we reached out to the CAD South program. It's a high school program that we go and interview juniors in high school and pick 2 a year and have them work for us every other day their senior year. And after they graduate their senior year, we have a choice to either hire them full-time which we always pretty much do. There's only been a few that we have not. And then they become employees, and then we actually put them in the ABC program at the high school, at the community college, where after 4 years they become journeymen. We pay for all that for them, and we have,
So if I were to think about it, we started the program 8 years ago, and 2 of the technicians that I hired that year are still with us.
Wow.
And currently I have 4 employees going through the ABC program that all 4 will graduate this spring in
Great.
2024
Great.
and all have their journeyman, and they are 23 or younger. So that is quite an accomplishment for them, as well as it sets us apart that we have journeymen on staff.
You give back to the community, and as a Annapolitan resident long time, I appreciate that, and all of our residents in Arundel County. Arundel County is still a very local, tight-knit community, so that goes over very well. And I know that you're humble and you don't want to go into great detail, but you were telling me about another situation where you helped someone out in a terrible time of her life.
Yes.
So a friend of ours that we actually, our sons played baseball together. A lady in their community, husband passed away, and it was during Christmas, and she wanted to, and her water heater went up, and she called us and asked us, could we come out and take a look at it? If there anything we can do? She's got no money, it's Christmas. So I went out there, diagnosed it needed to be replaced, and we just went ahead and bought the water heater and replaced it for her at no charge.
That is very kind and remarkable.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I think that speaks volumes as well for the integrity and you know, how you feel about the community and the people who live here. So tell us, you service all of Anne Arundel County?
Yes.
Okay.
So our pretty much our territory is Anne Arundel County. We go to on the eastern shore, Kent Island. We go as far as Easton and that part, but really it's Anne Arundel County. We're pretty much based, and majority of our work is Annapolis, Anne Arundel County area.
Okay. And the office is open Monday through Friday?
Monday through Friday, 8 to 4:30, and we do have after hours also.
Okay.
We got a guy on call every day.
Wow. Wow.
So
Even on holidays?
even on holidays.
Wow. Is there anything else you'd like to tell us about your company?
I think we
Or
touched
brag
base.
about?
I think we touched base on most of it. I mean, we're pretty much
We
a
are
full.
excited. We're thinking about opening a plumbing division, so we hope to have that up and coming in the next 6 months.
Yes.
But that is our next feat that we'd like to offer to the community.
So you're continuing to grow and hire people? and
Yes.
That's amazing.
Yes.
So I'm sure that family owned business attitude will continue on.
We hope so.
Absolutely.
Yes. Well, thank you very much for letting us come in and learning about your company and
welcome.
letting us feature your company. So thank you very much,
Yeah,
Chuck.
thank you.
It was a pleasure.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alrighty.
This concludes our video featuring 2 of Anne Arundel County's service providers. I hope you found their information helpful. If not now, maybe sometime in the future. Please look for more local service provider company videos that we'll be posting soon. If you have any suggestions as to the types of companies you would like to learn about, please let us know in the comments section below. I'm Marie Parashak, and my husband John and I are licensed realtors specializing in residential real estate in Annapolis and throughout Anne Arundel County. Please contact us if we can help you with any of your real estate needs. If you would, please tap the subscribe button and hit that, and also the like button, so you'll be the first to know when another video is posted. Thanks so much for watching.